Guys, it's so windy out here. Can I come inside? We always knew we'd find something. We thought they were gone. Oh, God. We always knew that they would come back. Where are they? Okay. But nothing compare us for the moon. For when they arrive. They're back. This summer. We will not go down like nerds. We will fight this day, and we'll know that it is not just an American holiday, but it is in fact a world's holiday. Oh God. Stay back. Hey! My squad's coming in. Take my hand. Dad! Independence Day. That's one big ship. We're gonna need a bigger boat.